Welcome to this exquisite custom home of more than 6,500 square feet, located in a prestigious West Linn neighborhood. A luxurious retreat ideally situated among high-end homes, close to numerous parks, and top-rated schools. Enjoy your privacy or entertain to your heart's delight. This home has it all. The grand entry opens to the spacious formal living room with high ceilings. Solid hardwood floors lead to the elegant dining room. Extensive detailing throughout and handsome built-ins frame the generous living areas. The gourmet kitchen features a granite-topped island, built-in sub-zero refrigerator, a professional Viking range, warming drawers, and a Miele espresso machine. Or dine outside on the covered deck, complete with a Viking grill and overhead heat for those cool mornings. French doors open to the main level office with built-ins. Retire to a master suite featuring 2 walk-in closets, plus a large sitting room with a cozy fireplace and its own private deck. Fall in love with the master bathroom. It's like spending time in your own private spa. You'll find 5 spacious bedrooms, and just for fun, the playroom sits over the garage. On the lower level, the theater room is ready for movie night, complete with a bar and a custom built-in wine cellar. Enjoy your private gym. Take a dip in the in-ground pool, or just relax on the deck. Before joining friends on your sport court. Other features include an oversized 3-car garage, over 1,500 feet of finished storage, and a 50-year presidential roof. The best in Northwest living. It's all here waiting for you to make this your home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Scott Foster with Premier Property Group at 503-860-9318.